In this vlog, we're gonna spend the night in this tiny, cute and cozy cabin in the woods in the heart of Switzerland. This snowy wonderland. Stay tuned! We decided we want to get out of Geneva. The goal? A remote cabin in the woods, simple chalet far away from people. After a small research on Airbnb and booking, it turned out everything is either fully booked or costs thousands of francs per night. No surprises there. And then we found a small cabin, just right. We contacted the owner on Airbnb, the telephone chimes. Reservation approved, within 30 minutes we are already in the car. There it is, wow, exactly what we wanted, it's adorable. And that's gonna be our home for the night. We arrived quite late, we requested that the owner would heat up the hot tub for us. And it's starting to snow, but we're still gonna enjoy it. Soon we're gonna turn in and show you all around tomorrow morning. Hey Nastia. Hi guys, and welcome to our home for the night. We just woke up from a super nice night of sleep. It's mind-blowing. When we arrived here yesterday, everything was really green. There was some snow far off there in the tops of the mountains, but like nothing here was covered in snow. We had a lovely night of sleep. It was a little bit cold because you have to know that this was actually a bee house in the past. As the sign on the door says, it was actually built in like 1983, and apparently 20,000 bees have lived here. It was converted into this cabin in the woods in the heart of Switzerland. We arrived here yesterday. It was quite chill, and we had a bath in the hot tub on top when it was just starting to snow. Then there is a yurt. We had a lovely meal there. Near to the live fireplace, it was absolutely magical. We descended down here for the night. It was really chilly when we entered. So we were also giving some sleeping bags in case it got too cold. So yeah, also got like a heating stove. We brought some coal because we thought maybe we were gonna grill, but unfortunately the weather did not permit. It was really raining and snowing. Heating thingy. I think when we checked on the thermometer it was something like 13 degrees. We cozied up with Nastia and with Luigi. We set the heating up. And when we were falling asleep, it became so nice and warm. The perfect getaway that we were dreaming about when we were looking for this place. And surprise, surprise, when we woke up, it's so snowy and white outside. It's like a fairy tale. We couldn't dream of a more beautiful place. The wooden interior is super cozy, and there's also a blanket that warms you up here. Wild animals in the forest there. It's absolutely magical. So we arrived here yesterday around 6 p.m. and to be honest, there was snow, but there was very little snow. And when we were getting ready to go to sleep, it was snowing quite heavily. It was snowing all through the night. And wow, we woke up to this winter scenario like from a fairy tale, and it's absolutely beautiful. So let's walk and get some coffee. There is no running water actually in the cabin. So I have to walk down to that path all the way up there, up there, and behind those trees there's like a kitchen area and also the hot tub, which we saw on the pictures. Wow. Let's get some coffee. Nastia will definitely appreciate that. And another reason why this is an absolutely amazing getaway is that there's absolutely no reception, no internet. Guess it's just you and me.
Yes, I guess, but actually it's quite good. It sometimes helps to just turn your phone off.
So we just had breakfast, sitting in the yurt outside, which is an absolutely amazing atmosphere. This guy is chilling, as you can see. We're sitting by the fire. And well, that's pretty much it for this weekend. We managed to fit everything in literally 24 hours. Went with Nastia for a quick getaway. It was absolutely amazing. It's a winter wonderland here. I hope you enjoyed this one as much as we did enjoy this weekend. Thanks for watching. See you next one.